So we look alike.
What? Oh my god. Let's finish
so-
what we came here to do.
So, Nebok Stefan, to give you whoever is watching now
Nebok
the
name?
video. Welcome back
Welcome
to
back
our
to okay.
not YouTube channel, but to our Facebook live video.
Chuukbang.
Chuukbang. Chuukbang Mukbang. Coming on to you from our FinIasaii.
Yes.
We made it out from scratch, out of our own kitchen or our own farang. So here I am, this ugly crazy FinIasaii, along with my beautiful lady, which I call her Lehu or Nenu or Perira.
Stop, Mom.
So
Stop.
just some updates. If you love watching and following us on our videos, mostly, well, I have actually 6 beautiful children. My oldest one is a son, a boy, a really handsome boy. And he's already taken. He's in Hawaii. He has a child. He has a girlfriend.
Okay.
Oh, that one. And then I also have 5 more living with their FinIasaii mother. And this is my
The middle child. The one that's not treated equally.
third crazy one that always follow her mom. And okay, we talk too much, but the main reason why we got back on here, we just wanted to do a short live video. It's all about our
our Chuukbang.
Chuukbang. That's what we call our birawa.
Yes.
So it's actually birawa or sweet roll or
Is it?
but we call it chuukbang. So we're gonna sample some of our birawa chuukbang. This girl, my beautiful lady, she baked it for her FinIasaii mom while mommy went to work. And then she burned this one. She burned this one, but everything is all great, which is awesome. I love her for helping her mommy out. Now we're gonna show you guys how we eat the sweet roll chuukbang. So, whoever is watching, hello everyone. Hello, Nepoganin. We're gonna get the.
I wanna eat.
Of course. So I've been watching a lot of the Chuukese women that they've been uploading their delicious Chuukese food. Meruts, periton, perik,
Yeah, we like
corn,
some meadows,
and fish, and arab. We love Chuukese local food. And if you want us to sample your guys' food and put it on live video, you can send some to us, so we'll be your advertisers, me and my crazy lele Perira. And let's do some chuukbang. So this is our bread. We're gonna sample some. Are we gonna eat 2 or 1?
We're gonna act like the mukbangers. Take a first bite game of this.
Okay, so this girl is teaching me how to eat like mukbang. Mukbang. But ours one, we don't call it mukbang. We call it chuukbang.
Come on, Mom. Let's take the first bite together.
I like the milk. I want to eat it with the milk. I'm going to get sugar. My sugar is going to go high tonight. But I wanted to try my own chuukbang mukbang. I like the sugar though. I mean, not sugar, but the milk. I love coconut milk. So this is how our Chuukbang Mukbang birawa tastes like. Get it off so they can see.
Very
okay,
soft.
we're gonna. Oh, I just made a miss.
God.
I just made a miss. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Sasu.
Very soft. It tastes kind of like doodle. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
So it's soft and chewy and spongy. You guys want to know our recipe? We have it on our YouTube channel, which I put it on my Facebook page. You can get the recipe from there. And please, if you love our recipe, you can support us by clicking the subscribe button or click on the notification button, so every time we upload our video, or do our live video, it's gonna let you know that these two mukbang Chuukbang, FinIasaii, mother-daughter, are uploading their recipes and live videos. So that's how our pita tastes like. So again, one more time, Chuukbang Mukbang pita with coconut, sweet coconut milk.
Amazing.
It tastes good.
Very extraordinary.
So the way Chuukese ladies, they eat, they go.
You know, Mom.
Not me. I eat like a pig. I eat like a pig.
We both eat like a pig.
So the food can taste so good. So there, that's how our bread looks like. It's really sweet and chewy. Excuse our pig mouth, but that's how we eat our Chuukbang. So, I wanna say, I can't finish it.
We're done.
My nenu
Yes.
is gonna say our Nyepwang Saban. Oh,
You wet?
speaking Chuukese.
Okay, Mom, I got this.
Okay.
You wet? Nepogandingeri.
Oh,
I don't
come on.
Nepogandingeri
Kevi, medicine.
medicine. And yeah.
Kirisota.
Kirisotapur.
Redavi 50 kids.
Haravi 50
kids.
50 kids.
One day live video.
One note to live video.
It got every Saturday live video.
Mom just said already.
No, you're gonna say it.
It got me excited to live video.
You also then keep following us
We also want to keep following us
on
and
our live videos.
on our live video and
our YouTube channel.
our YouTube video channel.
Alright.
Alright. Bye.
Peace out. Kiriso. Nepal medicine.
Nepal.
No.